What do you think I am?
Oh yes, you're messing up the camera. What is cracking, Jump Nation family? I am back in the UK. Had the most incredible time in the USA. Had 2 weeks over there, and it's just good to be one-to-one with you guys again. Basically, it's 5 o'clock. I've spent the whole of last night and this morning trying to get up the JRD collaboration.
Jump Nation!
The video kind of just killed my computer off. Like, my computer's basically dying on me. I've got Gigi waiting in the car. We're about to hit the gym. It's been a while since I got a good workout in. And yeah, we're just raring to go, get back on our feet. And yeah, we've been working hard to basically get all the website orders and everything kind of back on track. So I'm just documenting the day. I don't know what's going to really happen, but I don't know. As it always is, let's just take it as it comes, sit back, relax, and hopefully can provide some sort of value and escapism for you guys. Yo, what up?
Gigi's waiting in the car. Dale.
Yeah, I did take about 10 minutes to do that one clip, you know. Hurry up. Train's coming.
Oh, wait.
See you later.
Wait.
Gigi's like a little teenager on the back of the bus. Put some headphones in, man. Gonna show you this new hoodie, guys. This is the Phantom hoodie. You would have seen the pictures on Instagram right now. I've been posting. You've got embroidered lettering here, branding. You've got then a little yellow tag label with the logo. Turn around, Gigi. Little curved hem at the back. She's wearing a small at the moment. And then here, we've got Day One We Fly on the... Why are you still like... Gigi getting those gains before gym. Right guys, we're just in the underground making a change. Crazy people here. This gym seems like a submission. Don't worry about it. I'm taking Gigi to this gym as a guest pass. Where are you, Gigi? She's hiding. Yeah. Sorry. Gigi, how much we miss in America?
A lot. Go back.
We're proper missing America. The last few days, like after we came back on Tuesday. When was it? Tuesday afternoon. We slept the whole day because we had like severe jet lag. But the next few days after that were just terrible. Like all we kept on talking about was LA, New York. I went to Vegas the weekend before that as well, so Vegas was pretty sick. So I don't normally wear hats, but it's alright. I kind of like the shape. Welcome to Canary Wharf, guys. This is where I work. If you guys follow me on Instagram, see my Instagram stories, that is my building, that is where I work. But we're gonna walk that way to the gym. Right, so surprisingly, we spent 2 weeks in the States and I actually lost about 1 kilo in weight, which is quite weird. Normally when I used to go to the States as a kid, I used to eat a lot of crap and a lot of Taco Bell. I did eat a lot of Taco Bell, to be fair, but normally I do put on weight. I end up losing quite a bit of muscle mass. I'm not the biggest guy in the world, but I'm itching to get into the gym. But I think every day we were just hitting kind of the jump rope, the skipping, we were meeting all the influencers. The meetups as well took it out of me. They were like 3-4 hour days, sweated a lot, it was so hot. So I think that's why I end up losing a lot of weight. So in the changing room right now, about to get ready. I don't know if they're going to allow me to take this camera into the gym. I'm going to try my best not to get into trouble. Otherwise I'll be filming on my phone, but I'll be sure to get some footage of what we get done today. just gone past 8. Gonna wait for Gigi to come out the shower. But yeah, got a little bit carried away with the skipping today. Didn't actually do too many weights. Couldn't really film there, so I decided just to keep skipping. Waiting on Gigi right now to come out of those doors. That's not Gigi. Finally, after 2 weeks, I'm in one of the shopping centres in Canary Wharf. Can't record! I'm getting in trouble here.
Filming is not allowed in the mall.
Oh, no filming?
No, nothing is allowed in the mall.
Oh.
Because you're giving all the evidences, we don't know who's going to watch that video.
Oh, okay. Just a few thousand people in the world. I'm turning it off now.
Okay, thank you.
You want to say what's up to YouTube before I turn it off? Say what's up, bro. My man. I've got to switch it off. We're going to have some food in a minute though. We're going to Wagamama's. So I've just decorated my katsu curry. This is chicken with some, I think these are just normal red chili. They're not too spicy, but they're nice. Gigi got the same. We also got these, what are these again?
Chicken pieces.
Some sort of chicken pieces, and then she ordered gyoza. I'm really bad with Oriental food, but to my knowledge, every person I ever know that comes to Wagamama always gets katsu curry. So I got the same. I'm gonna tuck into this, and oh shit, oh man.
Ross,
I don't know.
¿por qué, Rushi? ¿Por qué no puedes dejar tu teléfono?
Just having too much jokes on my chat groups. This day seems long, and it feels like I haven't actually even recorded that much. We just went to the gym, got some food. Gigi doing some work. I think she's on the emails. Working hard, that's what we're doing. Good morning, people. Just got up, it's 10 AM. Just wanted to quickly show you guys our new samples that we've got for the Legacy hoodie. If you guys have been following, these hoodies sold out super quick. We launched them first, I think it was end of January, February, and they were gone by about March, April. So for about a couple of months now, I've been working on kind of new color schemes. So I'm trying to introduce this new burgundy style. Let me know what you guys think. The clothing is going pretty well, to be honest with you, but they will never touch the ropes right now. The ropes are still just the king for what we do. And you can see, yeah, I've already shown you guys kind of all the boxes and everything else, how we lay them out. Nothing else has really changed in the warehouse. It's all still a little bit of a mess. We're still sleeping here and working hard. That's Gigi's office. The idea of these is to try and launch them hopefully in October. I was planning for September because we are also bringing out a couple of new things. We're bringing out the caps, and we're also bringing out the new Phantom hoodie. So the new Phantom hoodie looks absolutely insane. We took some cool pictures in the States of that hoodie, and they're out along with these. So I want to bring it out all together so you guys don't have to kind of pay double shipping if you want to get both sets of kind of hoodies. Got loads of bits and pieces to do today. I think I've shown you what I've done with this background. I'm not sure if I have, maybe I'll put it on my Instagram. But I've recently tidied up all of this mess. There used to be so much crap here. And now I've kind of made it into a small kind of reminder or kind of memorabilia kind of place, if that makes sense, where I keep my camera gear. But just, yeah, got some of our products here. Got the water bottles, got the money rope, got the Legacy rope. Our first ever sample, They Run We Fly t-shirt. First ever Just Jump sample. And then also, I think you guys have seen this. This was the first ever kind of design we got of the packaging. So that was kind of the paper design when we first kind of went to print. Rude boy, what are you saying? Oh good man, listen, I'm right in front of the camera right now, man. I'm going to try and call you back, yeah? You won't believe how many times that happens to me. Every time I'm about to literally set up, start recording, I get a phone call. Right, what I wanted to basically get you guys in here in my office for this quick chat is just to kind of give you a quick overview of what the hell happened in the States. I had a chance in the States to not only go and visit the Mayweather boxing gym whilst I was in Vegas, which was absolutely insane. We got some little, like, just incredible footage there. Had the chance to just go around, do what we wanted to do. Everyone was so friendly. Obviously the money man wasn't there, but it was just phenomenal to be skipping there in the same place, on the same floor as Floyd does and as once done and all that kind of stuff. That was a great experience. And then when we got to LA, I had to meet the legend Brian Gloria. You guys, if you're into your skipping and if you've been around on this channel for a long time, always ask me about Brian and some of his moves. So I wanted to nail down his 360. He taught it to me personally. It's something that I've seen videos and videos of, and I've just never really been able to understand it. And I don't know why, but when I got a chance to be with him one-to-one, I kind of got the idea of it. So yesterday in the gym, I was practicing that. If you guys knew just how crazy the LA and New York meetups were, like, you just had to be there to just really feel it. Like, it was incredible. Like, there were so many like cool people that turned up, so many cool personalities, just unbelievable stories. It was by far the proudest days of my life, meeting some of you guys. I just wanted to, I guess, share with you how amazing this YouTube journey has been for me. And I've met a few people on the way who have mentioned that they want to do something similar. They've got ideas of doing a calisthenics channel, doing a jump rope channel, doing all this kind of stuff. And all I want to keep saying to them, and all I want to share with you right now is try and get your YouTube channel up and running. And if you're an introvert, don't really like being in front of the camera, there's still ways of getting around that, I believe. You don't always have to be in front of a camera. You can always share your art from behind it. I've seen loads of introverts and loads of kind of quiet people, as it were, maybe, that have done so well with YouTube without needing to be in front of it, chatting and trying to be funny or entertaining, all that kind of stuff. YouTube has been my platform to just create a worldwide brand, like, over these last 2-3 years, and it's free. It just kind of just takes time. You need dedication. You obviously need to work hard. Editing these videos takes 3 to 4 hours, sometimes even longer. Just the other night when I was putting the Zendu video up, that took me like 5 hours because my computer couldn't handle the file size. There's so much work that goes on behind it, but I just wanted to thank everyone who has helped bring this channel forward, push this channel forward, and supported me from day one. I had a chance to obviously go to Mayweather Boxing Gym, go to see Brian Valoria. Then I had a chance to meet all these unreal YouTubers and Instagrammers and do collaborations with them, and all of that footage is coming in the next kind of couple of days, couple of weeks. My videographer CJ, you guys would have seen his work as well in the past. He's working on kind of cutting up all the videos and creating something that is going to blow your mind. I promise you, it's going to be some of the most epic skipping content and footage you have ever seen in your life. But last but not least, the big news that I have to share with you today. You guys have heard me talking about it here and there, but it's finally confirmed. From October the 8th, I'm going to be going full-time with you guys, with YouTube, with the business, with just everything, all the dreams that I've been talking about, all the ambitions, all the goals. I'm going to be finally full-time. I'm going to have a break from work. I'm going to be going traveling. I'm going to be doing so many just things that I should be doing when it comes to starting your own business, more business development, more kind of growth, more strategy. I'm going to really have a chance to put my mind and just all my kind of energy into this venture. So I'm so happy. I can't thank you all enough for everything, and I mean everything. Like, I literally just want to give you guys a massive hug. And like, honestly, every time I meet up with everyone that I have so far, I just feel like I've met you guys before, or I know you guys before, and that we've just been friends for a long time. So I can't thank you enough for giving me this opportunity. I'm in a position now, and Gigi as well, at the same time, that we can go full time with this. We can travel the world. We can really promote this incredible form of fitness. And you guys have seen now the Zendu video. You can see that these guys have pushed me to follow in that kind of footsteps. We do it a little bit different, but the goal is this, guys, is that if you persevere, if you're determined, if you have that self-belief, don't give a crap about what anyone else says. Don't give a crap about what society thinks you should do, what your parents think you should do. Just, if you have that talent, if you have that passion, please, please, please do not neglect it. Just push hard, work hard on the side, earn your P's, stack your P's, make your job your number one investor, like I always say, and then leave and then make history. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I wanted to probably show you a little bit more today, but I want to cut this video up. Man United are playing as well in a few minutes. I really want to watch them play. But there's just so much incredible stuff coming your way. And yeah, we're just making history together. So guys, without further ado, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.